Hi, English 7 students. This is Mrs. Gedeke. I wanted to create a quick video just to show you how to create links to pages in your digital notebook. This is going to be super important and helpful now that we have a lot more pages in our digital notebooks, just so that we can find things. All right, so let's see. I want to show you an example here in my notes section of my digital notebook. You can see on my notes tab, I have a link to the reading strategy Empathize to Understand, which is the next slide. However, I now have 2 more notes pages, and eventually we'll end up with a lot more. And so the table of contents will be really helpful for you to find things. All right, so the next reading strategy slide I have is look for a pattern. So if I want to create a link, I'm going to go back here and I'll type reading strategy, look for a pattern. Then all you do is you select that text, and you can either right click or you can select and then type hold control down, control K. Okay, and then in terms of the link, you are not wanting to put in a link to a website. Instead, you are linking to another slide in this presentation. So you click slides in this presentation, and then go and find, here it is, slide 37, look for a pattern. Yay. Okay, I'll do the same for the next one, dig deeper to find a story's topic. Okay. All right, so remember then, bold that, once you have the title typed, all you do is select Control K and then go down and select whatever slide number it is. So it's slide 38. The cool thing about this is even if you add in another slide between 37 and 38, now 38, if you were to add another slide, 38 would become slide 39. Your link automatically adjusts. So you don't ever need to go in and change the links. Okay? So eventually in our note section, depending on the unit, we'll have some specific notes maybe on a certain skill. There'll be different notes besides just reading strategies. So this is going to be a really helpful way to keep you organized. I highly suggest using this in all of your tables of contents. With the vocabulary words, maybe you don't want to put in a link to every single vocabulary word, because that'll be a lot. But as you can see on mine, I have a link to where the Unit 1 vocabulary words started. And so once we start our next unit, if we have vocabulary words that we'll add in, you could put a link, a label and a link to those vocabulary words, and it'll be a super helpful way to keep yourself organized. Thanks, and happy organizing in your notebooks.